Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the tutorial how to enable your fingerprint on Infinix Smart 8 like this. Okay, just follow the step and don't skip anything. Okay, so let's get started. Just going to the setting menu, and then you can going to password and security. And then for the first step, you just have to setting the lock screen password like this. And here I just want to setting to the pattern. And for the example, I want to make the pattern like this. Tap on the confirm. And after that, you can going to setting the fingerprint like this. Tap on add fingerprint, tap next, and make sure your finger are clean from the oil and dust. And now you can slide your finger here on the power button like this. Okay, you can tap the finish. And you can add your fingerprint other finger like this. Okay guys, just like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.